Hi, this is Dave the Tech Guy. Today I'm going to show you how to add titles to your movies. Now, first of all, for movie editing, since you have an iPhone, there is a free app called iMovie, and it does lots of stuff. And today we're going to explore how it lets you add titles to your movies. So, first we need to find the iMovie app, so I'm going to swipe left. Now I'm going to click on iMovie. This is what the iMovie app looks like here in the lower right-hand corner. So touch iMovie. When you start iMovie, it says Start New Project. So it gives us three options: Magic Movie, Storyboard, and Movie. So touch Movie. Okay, now we're just going to grab a movie nice and quick. So I'm going to touch on one of the movies. Now when you touch on it, it gets a blue check mark. Okay, so that's the one we're going to use. And now we need to touch Create Movie down the bottom of the screen. So touch Create Movie. Okay, it's created a movie. Now we want to explore titles. So what we're first going to do is select the movie in the timeline. So touch the timeline right here. Okay, you can see it's now highlighted in yellow. Now, we have a bunch of options at the bottom of the screen. We have split, detach, duplicate, and delete. And below that, we have 5 icons. The icon that's selected right now is the scissors. What we want to do is touch the text icon, which is the T icon. So touch this icon that has the letter T. Okay, now it's giving us a whole bunch of options. Right now we have no title, okay? And you'll see that in blue, none is selected. That means no title. That's what it does automatically. It doesn't give you a title, but we're going to add one. So let's touch slide, okay? So touch slide. Now, as you can see up the top, it says title text here. We want to touch that whole sentence. Well, I guess it's a phrase or a clause. But touch where it says title text here. It says edit, gives us the option of editing or deleting. We want to edit, so touch edit. Okay. Now what we can do is just press delete. So press delete. Okay, and now we can type in my question, which is who lives here? Question mark. I have no idea who lives here, so I'll just type that in. Okay, so who lives here? Now we want to watch what happens. So press the play button. Actually, press pause. Touch the timeline and drag it to the right. And now press play. Who lives here? See, it pops up. It comes up from the bottom. It's an interesting effect. Let's change it to something else. Touch the timeline. Okay, so once you touch the timeline, it again gives us these options. Now, let's try the next one. Let's try split. So touch split. Okay. Now that we've touched split, touch the timeline and swipe to the right. Now we're at the beginning. And now touch play. So touch the play icon. Who lives here? It's kind of divided up and then it comes together. That's interesting. So let's touch the timeline so we can change how the title appears. Okay, the next option after split is chromatic. This is an interesting one. So touch chromatic, and now touch the timeline and swipe to the right. Now we're at the beginning of the video again, and now touch play. I like that one. I think it's pretty cool. Okay. So let's keep playing with the titles. So let's touch the timeline. Okay. There are so many options for the titles that we can actually touch where the titles are and swipe to the left to reveal more of them. Here's an interesting one. On the left side of the screen, we have Prism. So touch Prism. And now touch the timeline and swipe to the right. And now touch play. So touch the play icon. Pretty fancy, huh? All right, let's touch the timeline again. So we have Prism selected. Touch Prism and swipe to the left. Here's an interesting one, Focus. So touch Focus. So touch where it says Focus, right there. Okay. And now touch the timeline and swipe to the right. And now touch the play icon. So touch play. Pretty fancy. All right. Let's change it again so we can touch the timeline. All right. Looking around the screen, you can see there's lots of different options. Would you like to change the font? If you want to change the font, you click on where the letters A and A are, and then it says choose font. Now you can choose, if you swipe up, you can choose any of these fonts. Okay, basically it's all the fonts installed on your computer. Okay. Brush, let's touch brush script. I think that's MT. So touch that. Who lives here? Ooh, that's pretty snazzy. In fact, I'm done. So you can choose any font you'd like. And in the upper right, we're going to touch the X. So touch the X. Okay, and we've changed it to who lives here. Okay, well, there's also the option to change the color. So right here is a color wheel. Okay, so touch the color wheel. Aha. Now, which color are we going to choose? Should we use a bright red or a purple let's do a purple. So any of these squares that you see in the bottom half of the screen, you can just choose them. Boom, it's purple. Do we like that? How about green? Need something that stands out. How about orange? Now we're talking. All right. Just to give you some idea of the other options you have with regards to color, where it says spectrum, you can click on spectrum. So click spectrum. Okay, and now you can move. You can touch anywhere on that and change the spectrum. And now you can also click on sliders. So click on sliders. This shows you how much red, green, and blue is in each of them, and you can change that as much as you like. I'm done messing with the color, so I'm going to click the X. So click X. All right, so we've got a purple title and a weird in orange. And now let's swipe left, touch the timeline and swipe left. And now let's just watch it. What have we done? Interesting. It's orange. It's in a neat font. You can use any of the fonts you want. You can use any of the effects that you want as far as how it shows up. And like any movie, when you're done, you press done. So let's press done. Okay. Now let's press the share icon at the bottom of the screen. So touch share. It gives you two options, save or share video or export project. We want to save, so touch save. Okay. Now it gives you the option immediately to send it to people. So any of the people listed you could send it to. What we want to do is swipe up. So swipe up again. And now we can clearly see the option save video. So click on touch save video. So we'll touch save video. It says exporting movie. The movie was exported to your photo library. So you can click OK. So touch OK. And now I have an older phone, so I can click the home button to get back to the apps. If you have a newer phone, to get back to the apps, you start at the bottom of the screen and swipe all the way up. So here we are back where the apps are. Now it told us that it's in that our new movie with the title, is now in the Photos app. So to find the Photos app, I'm going to swipe to the right. Okay, down the bottom of the screen is My Photos app. That's what the Photos app looks like, and that's what you're looking for. So, touch Photos. Okay. And now, in the lower right-hand corner, you can see all the videos and pictures in this grid of squares. So the one we're looking for is the last one. So it says 17 seconds. So touch on that. And now that's the video. Who lives here? Because I have no idea who lives there. And we used the effect that it, I forget what the effect was called. We chose it earlier. And so now we have a video. Now you, of course, can share it. Now that you have made a new video, which will stay on your phone until you delete it, we can touch share. So touch share. Okay, it gives you the options of various people that you know to send it to. Okay, so you can just take your video and send it to people. I'll send it to my mom. I made a movie. And it's gone. And it's that easy. So, today we played around with titles. Titles are interesting. And so you can put titles, and there's various ways the titles appear. You can use any font you'd like. You can use any color you'd like. There's lots of flexibility with iMovie. iMovie really has a lot of good options that you can play with as you share videos with people. It's interesting to learn all this video editing, and I hope you found it interesting. And if you liked this, please like, comment, and share. And if you like my videos in general and find them useful, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications so you'll be notified the next time I produce a video. This has been Dave the Tech Guy. Until next time,